Hello student, once again welcome to Samashakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Myself Jyoti Varve. Student, in previous video we have seen poem, a stream song. Today we are going to learn new lesson. It is a story. Story name is The Story of Sindabad the Sailor. So now first we will see introduction of this story. Okay student, open page number 6, unit number 1, lesson number 5, the story of Sindabad the Sailor. First, we will see the introduction of this story. The story of Sindabad and his 7 fantastic voyages appears in the huge collection of stories, the book of 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights. The story tells us that Sindabad was the famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. He was honest, generous and brave. He had many adventures on each of his voyages. He never lost heart and hope in a dangerous situation. He overcame great dangers and returned home safely from each of his voyages. Here, the story of his first voyage. Student, the story tells us that Sindabad was a famous sailor and he lived in Baghdad. He was honest, generous and brave person. He had many adventures on each of his voyages. He never lost heart and hope in dangerous situation. He overcame great dangers and returned home safely from each of his voyages. Student, here the story of his first voyage. Now we will see the story. Story name is The First Voyage. Sindbad sailed with a company of merchants on a big ship. From time to time, they stopped at various ports. There they sold their merchandise and brought new things to trade. Student, Sindbad sailed with a company of merchants on a big ship. From time to time, they stopped at various ports there they sold their merchandise. Student, merchandise means goods or things for sale and brought new things to trade. Trade means to sell. Student, now see the next passage of this story. One day, when their ship was sailing smoothly across the sea, they spotted a small island at the distance. They had not seen land for many days and felt both surprised and happy to see the island. They sailed close to the island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. Everyone was excited. On the island, they strolled around, sang and danced. Some people began to wash clothes, some lit fires to cook meals. Student, one day, when their ship was sailing smoothly across the sea, they spotted a small island at the distance. Island means a land surrounded by water from all sides. They had not seen land for many days, so they surprised and happy to see the island. And they go close to the island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. So everyone was excited. Excited means very happy. On the island, they strolled around. Student, stroll means walk here and there. Sang, it is a past tense of sing. And they dance on the island. Some people wash clothes, some lit fires to means they all are happy and do different things on the island. Okay student, now we will see the story on digital board.